What if I told you that just 1 cup of diluted molasses could help your eggplant plants grow bigger, stronger, and produce sweeter giant eggplants? Sounds unbelievable, right? But this simple natural trick really works. If your eggplant plants look weak, produce small fruits, or stop flowering early, don't rush to expensive fertilizers. Instead, try this easy homemade plant booster using molasses. Molasses is packed with natural sugars, potassium, calcium, iron, and trace minerals that feed beneficial soil microbes. Healthy microbes improve nutrient absorption, boost root growth, and help plants produce larger, tastier eggplants. Here's how to make it. Take 1 cup of molasses and mix it into 1 liter of water. Stir well until completely diluted. Now pour this mixture directly around the base of your eggplant plant, not on the leaves. Use this treatment once every 10 to 14 days during the growing season. After a few weeks, you may notice greener leaves, stronger stems, more flowers, and bigger shiny eggplants developing faster than before. But remember, too much molasses can attract ants or overload the soil with sugar, so always use it in small amounts. Try this natural gardening trick and watch your eggplants grow huge and delicious. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more easy gardening tips.